I think we're all searching for something. It's never enough. We tell ourselves I'd be happy if only I had more. If only I was further. If only things had gone differently. But why can we be happy with ourselves? Why is it never enough? Before I take you on this journey, I'll have to start with the beginning. I used to think happiness came after achieving something, after reaching a goal. But every time I got there, I felt the same. I asked Google for help. And for some reason, it said I had to book a trip to Indonesia. I packed my bags and left. That's the stuff that you see online. The videos that make you think you'll be happy if only you could travel more. It looks like I'm having the time of my life. But to be honest, my thoughts were all over the place. Because I was alone and met so many talented creatives, I was incredibly self-conscious. I wanted everyone to like me and my work. But why? Why did I feel so insecure? Why did I think I wasn't enough? Most people are afraid of silence, because in silence you can hear everything. On this boat trip I had no distractions, just me, the clear blue waters, and my journal. I could hear the noise inside my own mind, and that's when I realized something I had never thought of before.
Papa. Papa. Papi.
I grew up without my father. I was always looking for his validation and acceptance. But of course, I never got it.
See you, Zilver.
Because after all, he chose to end his own life and leave me. For years, I thought this didn't really make a lot of impact on me, since I understood his choice. But subconsciously, this left me with a deep sense of self-rejection. I've never felt good enough. After gaining this insight, I started writing down the lessons I've learned in my journal. And now I'm happy to share them with you. Let's first talk about something simple, yet powerful. A shift in perspective. Batman didn't run from his fear of bats. He flipped it. He turned his biggest fear into his greatest strength. And we can do the same. The thing that sets you apart might actually be your advantage. When you stop fighting it and start embracing it, everything changes. You begin to see yourself as enough. I grew up as a gymnast, raised by my mother and sister. I used to worry I lacked male energy, that my sensitivity made me seem too feminine. But now I think it's pretty cool that I can still throw flips anywhere I go. And nothing gives me more energy than meaningful conversations with people who inspire me. Being alone forced me to reflect. But it also taught me something very important. The moment you learn to enjoy your own company and give yourself the validation you used to look for in others, that's when you find a steady mind. The moment I stopped measuring my life against others, everything became lighter. The only real competition is who you were yesterday. Growth isn't about being better than someone else. It's about becoming a better version of yourself. As I've said before, change won't come by waiting. It happens by showing up. Now I actually train myself to be happier. It's easier to feel good about yourself when you know who you are or who you want to become. So invest time and energy in your own personal growth. Inner peace starts within you. But having supportive people around you makes life easier. I've tried to surround myself with people who inspire me and share the same passion. We should keep those people close and distance ourselves from anyone who makes us doubt who we are becoming. So, why is it never enough? For years I thought the answers were out there. Now I know I've been looking in the wrong places. Because as long as we always need more, we're subconsciously telling ourselves that we're not enough. The horizon will always stretch further, and you'll still be you when you get there. That's exactly the reason why the chase never seems to end. So maybe we shouldn't search any further than within ourselves first.